How to play multiplayer in Among Us. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll demonstrate how to play multiplayer in Among Us. It's a straightforward process, so follow these steps carefully. Whether you're using an iPhone or Android device, the process is same. In my case, I'm using Android device. So simply open your Play Store app and install the Among Us application or update it. After opening the application, you will see the home screen where you can customize settings and explore different features. To play multiplayer, click on the play button in the left hand side of the screen. In the play section, choose between local and online play. Opt for online play to access three options: host a game, join a public game, or enter a private game using a code provided by a friend. By following these simple steps, you can enjoy multiplayer mode in Among Us. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.